step into the 2009 Nissan Xterra 4WD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver vanity mirror, traction control, power mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, front head airbag, and power door locks. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.